For those who are not my subscriber yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa new video. At this time, I just want to share a very romantic, a blessed moment that every woman's dream, including me. After I watched this video, I just said to myself, oh my God, sana all. Sana all talaga. And I wish I have blessed like this woman. So guys, huwag na natin patagalin. Let's watch this video.
Magkano? Magkano? Wala ka! Tanong, what's the question? Adrian, what's the question? Congratulations!
Yes.
Yay! Congrats!
I'm your fiancé now. Give. How I teach you how to give. Give. Kunin mo.
Thank you. Congratulations! Congrats! Naiyak ako.
How about you guys? Did you enjoy watching the video? And nainggit ba kayo kahit kunti lang? Kasi if you're going to ask me if nainggit ako, yes, of course, nainggit ako. Sobrang nainggit ako kay ate. Talaga. And to my friend, salute you, brother. Sobrang napaka-thoughtful mo, napaka-sweet mong jowa. Sana all. Sana may ganyan din ako in the future. Charot. But yes, it's one of my dream, of course. It's one of my dream. Ayan, napanood na natin yung video. Kinilig ba kayo? Napasana all ba kayong kagaya ko? Kung yes, please leave the comment down below. Yan. And I just want to take this moment to say congratulations to both of you sa successful engagement nyo. Yan. Sana i-bless kayo ni Lord ng a happy family in the near future. Lalong pagtibayin ang inyong pagsasama at pagmamahalan and trust sa isa't isa. So, God bless both of you. Ayan. So, that's it for tonight. Bye!